is a smart digital tool designed to help tax and finance professionals work faster and understand complex information more easily. In this video, I will explain what it is, how it works, and why people use it, all in simple, clear language. Tolley AI is an artificial intelligence assistant created for people who work with text. It helps them research information, learn faster, and make sense of complicated rules. It is mainly used by accountants, tax advisors, finance professionals, and even students who are learning tax. Anyone who deals with the tax information can benefit from it. Tolley plus AI can search tax information, summaries, long documents, and explain rules in simple language. It highlights key points and helps users understand topics without spending hours reading. Is it useful? Tax rules change often and they can be difficult to understand. Tolley plus AI saves time, reduces confusion, and supports better decision making. It's like having a smart helper that makes learning and research easier. Imagine you want to understand a new text rule. Instead of reading pages of text, Tolley plus AI can give you a short summary with key points and a simple explanation. This helps you learn faster and stay confident in your work. It does not do. To be clear, Tolley plus AI does not replace a qualified accountant. It does not give personal tax advice, file tax returns, or make final decisions. It's a supported tool. The human expert is still in control. Why? The best results come when humans and AI work together. AI helps with research and understanding, while the professional use their judgment and experience to make decisions. Tolley plus AI is a smart assistant that helps tax professionals work faster and understand complex information more easily. It saves time, improves accuracy and sports learning, but it still relies on human expertise. This explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple videos on tax, finance, and technology.